Press Alt plus F, open the File menu in an application. Press Alt plus E, open the Edit menu in an application. Press Alt plus O, open the Format File menu in an application. Press Alt plus V, open the View menu in an application. Press Alt plus T, open the Tools menu in an application. Press Alt plus H, open the Help menu in an application.
Press Alt plus Tab, switch between open windows and applications. Press Alt plus Space, open the System menu for the active window.
Press Alt plus ESC, cycle through open windows without displaying the task switcher. Press Alt plus Enter, open the Properties dialog box for a selected item. Press Alt plus Print Screen, take a screenshot of the active window. Press Alt plus Up arrow, go up one level in a File Explorer or web browser. Press Alt plus down arrow. Open the drop-down menu for a selected item. Press Alt plus left arrow, go back one page in a web browser or File Explorer. Press Alt plus right arrow, go forward one page in a web browser or File Explorer. Press Alt plus Home, open the home page in a web browser.